how to fix Umax app not working. So if you want to fix Umax app not working, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Umax. Once you've searched for the Umax, if you have any updates, you will have the update option right here. If you have any updates, you need to just go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then find your Umax application, which is in my case, it's right here. You need to tap and hold on to that Umax application and then go with the app info section. Once you tap on the app info, you will have an option of force stop, which will be on the right side. You need to just go and force stop the application. After force stopping, you need to go with storage and cache, and under storage and cache, you need to go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. Just go and restart your Umax, and that's it. That's how you can fix Umax app not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.